Managing credit card debt can feel overwhelming, especially with high interest rates that make it difficult to reduce your balance. One strategy that some people consider is using a personal loan to pay off credit card debt more efficiently. Today we'll go through how this works, the potential benefits, and what to consider before making a decision. Credit cards often come with high annual percentage rates, or APRs, sometimes around 20% or more. This interest compounds daily, meaning the longer you carry a balance, the more interest builds up, making it harder to pay off the debt. Let's look at an example. Imagine you have $10,000 in credit card debt with an APR of 20%, and you want to pay it off over 5 years or 60 months. Assuming fixed monthly payments and using an amortization formula, your monthly payment would be approximately $265. Over the course of those 60 months, you'd pay a total of about $15,896. That means nearly $5,896 of that total is just interest. Now let's compare this to taking out a personal loan for $10,000 with a fixed APR of 10% over the same 5-year period. Your monthly payment would be about $212. Over 60 months, you'd pay a total of around $12,748, which includes $2,748 in interest. In this scenario, switching to a personal loan would save you over $3,000 in interest over 5 years, while also reducing your monthly payment. While switching to a personal loan can offer savings, it's important to understand the impact of relying on minimum payments for credit cards. Minimum payments, typically set at around 2% of your balance, are designed to stretch repayment over long periods. If you only make these payments, it could take decades, often 20 to 30 years to pay off the debt, all while incurring significant interest. For example, let's say you owe $10,000 on a credit card with a 20% APR. With daily compounding, the total interest over 5 years could easily exceed $6,000, depending on your payments. Over time, this could cost you thousands more and leave you stuck in a cycle of debt. Switching to a personal loan with a lower, fixed interest rate provides an alternative. Not only can it help you save money, but it also creates a clear path to paying off your debt within a defined time frame. Unlike fluctuating credit card payments, a personal loan offers predictable monthly payments, making it easier to plan your budget. However, it's important to remember that a personal loan doesn't erase your debt, it restructures it. You're still responsible for paying off the balance, so it's crucial to ensure that the monthly payments fit comfortably within your budget. By using this strategy responsibly, you can take control of your debt and work toward financial freedom. There are also additional factors to consider. Personal loans may include origination fees or other costs, which can increase the total amount you owe. Always read the terms carefully before applying. Additionally, while paying off credit cards with a personal loan can have a positive long-term impact on your credit score, the initial application might result in a temporary dip due to a hard credit inquiry. It's also important to avoid the temptation to start using your credit cards again after paying them off. Otherwise, you could find yourself with a personal loan payment and new credit card balances, which would leave you in a worse financial position. Using a personal loan to pay off credit card debt isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be an effective tool for those with high interest balances who want to reduce their interest costs and pay off their debt faster. Before making a decision, however, take time to assess your financial situation, research your options, and consider how this strategy fits into your overall financial goals. Managing debt takes planning and discipline, but with the right strategy, you can take control and move toward financial clarity. Understanding your options is the first step to creating a brighter financial future.